Cognitive Profile, Abstract. This analysis examines the cognitive profile and preferences of AlfWiz's top returning viewers in 2025 by interpreting patterns in high-retention video titles. The findings indicate an audience composed of polymath-inclined systems, thinkers who favor abstract metaphor, cross-domain synthesis, and meta-level reflection over topical novelty or simplified instruction. Returning viewers are drawn to content that explores instability, identity formation, strategic foresight, and bio-neuroeconomic coupling, and they demonstrate a strong tolerance for complexity and ambiguity. Collectively, these patterns suggest that AlfWiz functions less as a conventional content channel and more as a sustained thinking environment, with audience loyalty driven by intellectual continuity, non-obvious framing, and epistemic trust. Your returning audience is not casual, entertainment-driven, or trend-chasing. They cluster around a very specific cognitive archetype, characterized by high abstract tolerance, systems-level thinking, and cross-domain synthesis. These viewers are comfortable engaging with concepts such as infinity, vortices, fractals, polymath theory, and biochemical systems without needing simplification. They prefer interactions over isolated facts, gravitating toward content that examines how variables collide: dopamine with bankrolls, sugars with blood pH and fungal growth, or peripheral dominance with the decline of core strategy. They are also unusually self-reflective and meta-aware, willingly watching content that analyzes the channel itself or their own viewing behavior. Finance, neuroscience, physics metaphors, labor economics, history, and biology all serve as acceptable and even desirable entry points. Overall, this is a polymath-leaning, intellectually restless audience that is not seeking definitive answers so much as more powerful mental models. The titles of your top returning viewer videos reveal several strong attraction patterns. One of the most prominent is the use of abstract physics as a cognitive metaphor. Videos involving vortices, infinity, and wobble resonate not because viewers are looking for formal physics instruction, but because these concepts act as symbolic tools for understanding instability, edge conditions, and non-linear behavior across mental, economic, and societal systems. The strong performance of sequels, such as a second volume on wobbling vortices, indicates that conceptual continuity matters more to this audience than novelty. They want sustained exploration of an idea space, not one-off explanations. Another major draw is content centered on polymath identity and cognitive architecture. Videos exploring what defines a modern polymath or analyzing historical figures like Da Vinci and Franklin, alongside contemporary ones like Musk, function as mirrors rather than idol worship. Your returning viewers are identity invested. They are less concerned with learning discrete skills and more focused on understanding what kind of thinker they are becoming. In an overstimulated and fragmented world, they are looking for guidance in refining their thinking style, integrating diverse domains, and maintaining coherence across intellectual pursuits. Strategic and societal foresight also plays a central role in attracting returning viewers. Topics such as workforce displacement by automation or the decline of core strategy in favor of peripheral dominance appeal to an audience that is future-oriented but skeptical. They are uninterested in hype cycles or motivational framing, and instead want to understand structural inevitabilities and power shifts. Labels like PhD level do not intimidate them. Rather, they signal seriousness and depth. These viewers want clear-eyed explanations of where relevance, leverage, and strategy are actually moving. A further attraction lies in the exploration of bio-neuroeconomic systems. Videos that connect physiology to financial or behavioral outcomes suggest to viewers that success and failure are often governed by hidden couplings rather than moral shortcomings. They are drawn to explanations that trace causal chains from body to mind, to behavior to consequence, whether through dopamine regulation, metabolic balance, or biochemical environments that quietly shape outcomes. This audience believes that understanding these unseen mechanisms is essential to avoiding collapse and sustaining performance. Your returning viewers are also notably comfortable with meta-analysis and self-observation. Content that examines viewer engagement or reflects on channel performance does not alienate them. Instead, it deepens trust. They enjoy epistemic transparency and want to see how the system works from the inside. This willingness to be analyzed is rare and signals that they see themselves as co-observers rather than passive metrics, engaging with the channel as a shared intellectual project. From this pattern, it is clear that your returning viewers expect consistency of cognitive posture rather than topic uniformity from the AlfWiz channel. They return for non-obvious synthesis, your framing and integration of ideas, not the surface subject matter. Conceptual continuity matters, with series, recurring metaphors, and evolving models holding more value than isolated viral hits. They expect respect for their intelligence, with no simplification theatre and no apologies for complexity. Meta-awareness strengthens their loyalty, especially when you reflect openly on patterns in thinking, content, or audience behavior. Intellectual honesty is essential. Open questions and ambiguity are not weaknesses, but features of the channel's appeal. Strategically, this audience is not scalable in the traditional YouTube sense, but it is durable. These viewers rewatch content, follow multi-part series, mentally integrate ideas over time, and treat the channel as a thinking environment rather than a disposable feed. This explains why abstract, conceptually dense titles outperform practical or instructional ones when it comes to returning viewers. In short, your returning viewers are polymath-inclined systems thinkers who come to AlfWiz to refine how they think rather than to be told what to think, and they expect deep synthesis, conceptual continuity, and genuine intellectual respect.